You know what's interesting? Most countries say they welcome international students, but what they really mean is we welcome your money. Germany, the story is definitely different. They're not after your fees, they're after your skills. They want your talent. Sounds unusual, right? Let me show you how and why this matters to you. Because once you understand how the Germany system is designed, you'll realize this country is quietly building its future through people like you. Let's start with the facts. Public universities in Germany charge almost no tuition fees, maybe 300 euros per semester. Even the private ones, they are way less than what is being charged in the west side. And this is not a coincidence, this is a strategy. Germany invests billions every year to attract global talent. Their goal isn't to sell degrees, it's to build a workforce. They train you, you contribute to the economy, it's a win-win. The German government is doubling down on this strategy right now. They have introduced the opportunity card, which allows skilled professionals to enter Germany without a job offer and search for work directly. They have made this job seeker visa simpler and faster. They have even adjusted the blue card salary thresholds, making it easier for international students to qualify. If you hold a blue card and work continuously, you can apply for permanent residence in just 21 months. If you know the German B1 language, or 33 months, this comes directly from the Federal Office of Migration and Refugees. Germany clearly wants skilled people to stay, work and build their lives long term. Now I know you might be thinking, if Germany is doing all of this, there must be a catch. I hear this question every single day in my company. Germany has pathways designed for you. They are not hunting for your fees, they are competing your talent globally. Because Germany's aging population is real. Germany needs young skilled professionals to fill that gap. While other countries are tightening migration, Germany is quietly opening more doors. They have realized that the next global power won't be the country with the most money, it will be the country with the most number of skilled minds. By 2030, Germany needs over 4 lakh skilled professionals every single year. Instead of importing products, they are importing people. They are building long-term growth through talent, not through tuition fees. And yes, I know you have seen YouTube videos saying Germany is tough, no jobs, please don't come here, etc. But to be honest, the people who are already in Germany, who have finished their masters and are working now, they are not shouting all over social media. They are quietly building careers. They are getting the blue cards, they are learning the language, they are applying for PR and they are growing in life step by step. The process isn't hard, it's just structured. It protects serious students. Even the blocked account isn't a payment. It's your own living money. You get it back monthly once you are there, so you can live comfortably and focus only on your studies. About the German language, let's be honest and clear. It's actually not required for admission or the visa. But later when you start applying for jobs, internships, PR, it really makes a big difference. Learning the German, even up to the B1 level, can offer higher paying jobs and help you get a PR faster. That's why Germany rewards consistency, not shortcuts. Germany isn't selling you a degree, it's offering you a foundation. You study, you work, you grow. And within 2 to 3 years, you're on the way to PR, stability, and a European career that compounds every year. So that's why at Switch Abroad, we just don't help you to get admission. We help you plan your entire European journey, university selection, job pathway, long-term settlement. If you're someone who's career focused, who wants Europe not just for the lifestyle, but for growth, then Germany is your launchpad. Germany doesn't advertise as much as other countries do because honestly, it doesn't require it. Because Germany isn't trying to impress you, it's trying to select you. They don't want thousands of random applicants, they want the right ones. If you are serious about building a global career, this is the moment. I'm Karthik from Switch Abroad. We help ambitious students take the right step towards studying and settling across any European countries. Subscribe to Switch Abroad and let's turn your talent into your biggest asset.